guys, I got another Zippo collection update. Got 4 new Zippos to show you all. Grab them out of here. So the first one, surprised to find another one of these so quickly, but another 3-barrel Zippo, and bottom, still a patent. This one, the hinge is pretty loose on it, so I'll probably send that in. That was $10 at an estate sale. And then I got another, this is at a kind of fancy antique store, had this little bag. And then it's another of the 20326, whatever. And this one's also needs to be sent in. It's got a rusty hinge on the insert, and a rusty cam, and then the hinge is a little bit loose, but it's old. It was $10 as well. Seems like $10 is the price that I've been getting these days. So let's see these ones right here. It's a Smokin' Joe's Racing lighter. Pretty nice, $10 at a flea market. It's got the little security tab, a warning, it's new. And then another one, Smokin' Joe's Racing. These are both, I think, from like the 70s. It's X33 on the bottom. So, pretty cool. Kind of want to collect like smoking memorabilia since they were outlawed. And then I like the older ones too, the ones with the patent numbers, so I think that's gonna be my focus. It's my collection update. 2 Smokin' Zippos and 2 old Zippos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I love Zippos. And I love seeing other people's collections, so thanks guys. Once again, thanks for watching. I look forward to meeting other Zippo collectors and joining the whole Zippo community. And I will get to those other videos, those other Zippos that I promised on reviewing.
Weather-wise, it's such a perfect day.